Nebraska County in east central Georgia, Washington County in east central Georgia, Johnson County in east central Georgia, Jefferson County in east central Georgia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McDuffie County in east central Georgia, southern Columbia County in east central Georgia, Burke County in east central Georgia, Richmond County in east central Georgia, southwestern Edgefield County in central South Carolina, southwestern Barnwell County in central South Carolina, southwestern Aiken County in central South Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Norwood to near Louisville to near Swainsboro, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include North Augusta, Grovetown, Evans, Waynesboro, Martinez, Fort Gordon, Augusta, Landauto, Clearwater, Belvedere, Hephzibah, Harlem, Jackson, Sardis, Midville, Glendale, Gulf, South Augusta, Midtown, and Somerville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in Georgia between mile markers 181 and 201. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 520 in Georgia between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 520 in South Carolina between mile markers 16 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until